Hello and good afternoon guys. My name is Michael Campañero from 12L ICT.
Number 2, Advanced Spreadsheet Skills. What is a spreadsheet software? Allows user to organize data in rows and columns and perform calculation on the data. These rows and columns collectively are called worksheets. Number 2, 3-point examples of spreadsheet software. LibreOffice, Calc, OpenOffice.org Calc, Google Sheets, Apple iWork Numbers, Kings of Office Spreadsheets, Star Office Calc, Microsoft Excel, and 3.4, Microsoft Excel. Number 4.5, to open Microsoft Excel, press Windows logo plus R, then type Excel, then enter. 5.6, key terms in Miss Excel. Row horizontal line of entries in a table. Column vertical line of entries in a table. Cell, the place where info is held in a spreadsheet. 6.7, key terms in Miss Excel. Active cell, the selected cell. Column heading, the box at the top of each column containing a letter. Row heading, the row number.
7.3, key terms in Miss Excel. Cell reference, the cell address of all cell, usually combine letter and number. Example, A1, B4, C2. Merge, combining, or joining two or more cells formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell. 9. Key terms in Miss Excel. Functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. Formula bar, the bar that displays the content of a cell. Number 10. Functions. 10.11. Basic math operations equal sum x and y, or sum range returns the sum of x and y or all the numbers within the range. Equal product x and y returns the product of x and y. Equal quotient and x and y returns the quotient of x divided by y. X negative y returns the difference of subtract by y. 7.12 Basic math operations. X plus y returns the sum of x and y. X and y returns the product of x and y is equal x and y. Returns the quotient of x divided by x, and y returns the difference of x subtract by y. 12.3 Other functions. ABS is x, return the absolute value of x. Average, x and y return the average of x and y. Concatenate, x and y joins x and y. 10.14 Other function equal if condition x and y returns x if the condition is true, else it returns y. I7x returns true if x is an even number. ISOD is x returns true if x is an odd number. 14.5 Other functions. Count range counts the number of cells containing a number within a range. Count if range criteria count the number of cells that fits with the criteria within the range. 2.16 Other functions. Is number x returns true if x is a number. Is text x returns true if x is a text. Len is x returns the length of characters in x. Proper is x return the proper casing of x. 16.17 Other functions. Left x and y returns the characters of x specified by y from the left. Right x and y return the characters of a specified by y from the right. Pi returns the value of pi. 17.8 Other function. Mean x and y returns the smallest number between x and y. Max x and y returns the largest number between x and y. Mean Range returns the smallest number within the range. Max range returns the largest number within the range. 10.19 Other function. Power x and y returns the value of x raised to the power of y, round x and y, rounds x to a specified number of digit y, column is x, returns the column number of x, row x returns the row of the x. 2.20 Other function. Squared x returns the square root of x, trim x removes extra spaces, and x upper x returns x all capital form, lower x return x in non-capital form. 20.21 Other functions. Today returns the current date, now returns the current date and time. 21.22 Exercises. 22.23 Consider this data: name, math, grade, science, grade Filipino, grade English, grade AP, grade Mark, 75, 70, 78, 81, 78, PTE, 84, 87, 86, 88, 85, ANA, 91, 92, 95, 90, 90, REA, 73, 75, 74, 75, 70. 23.24 Give the formulas to get Mark's, Pete, Anna's, and Rhea's average. The highest grade that Anna got, the lowest grade that Mark got. Sum of all math grades, science, AP, sum of all Rhea's grades, the lowest number among all grades, the marks pass or fail. 24.25 Now consider this data: first name, middle name, last name, Mark, Curtis, Williams, Pete, McLaughlin, Harrison, Anna, Monroe, Fritz, Rhea, Tan, and Collins. 25.26 Give the formulas to get Mark's full name, Anna's full name in proper case. Count the number of letters that Pete's last name has. Call from Rhea's last name, Chloe from Pete's middle name, combining Will and Lynn's from Mark and Rhea's last name respectively. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for listening and active viewing. Thank you.